Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. A brief video on the Unger Hydropower. This is a DI vessel, the 6 litre. I think it's the first generation. If you're getting an error warning on your TDS monitor, which is the HM Digital SM-1, could possibly be a flat battery. So to remove that, you need to take the 2 torx screws out of the top cover panel. Then you need to just gently pull the probe device out, or you can pull this cover, the window, which comes up out of the top of the unit, and your module here. You can gently pull out the sense wires from the back, 3 Phillips screws, undo this and replace the 2 button cell batteries, which are L44H. Don't buy cheap Poundland ones. Get some reputable Energizer or a reputable battery brand and replace them with quality batteries. Gently tighten up the box, and then all you do is make sure that your probe and your probe wiring is all in neat and tidy. You get the cover window, which has got a gasket in there as well to prevent moisture getting into the probe. Just gently pop this in. Can be a bit tricky. There we go. Make sure your monitor is sat in nice and level, and then all you need to do is button up your 2 torx screws gently. Don't over tighten them, but make sure they are secure, because there is a waterproof gasket around that window. And then you should be ready to go, and just make sure that you double check your TDS. And if you think you've got a fault with this, change it out, because you know you're reliant on your TDS to give you the good quality of water that you need for window cleaning. But if you found this video useful, subscribe, support the channel, hit the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published, give it a like, give it a share with your friends, leave a comment. Thank you very much.